How to use coupons on Superbuy. In this video, I will show you how to use coupons on Superbuy in 2025. So make sure to subscribe and like. Step 1. Open superbuy.com and log into your account. Step 2. Browse the product that you want and then click Add to Cart. Step 3. Go to your cart and then click Submit to begin the checkout process. Step 4. On the checkout page, look for the section that says Use Coupon or Select Coupon. Step 5. Click it to see the list of available coupons that applies to your order. Step 6. Select the best coupon and confirm. It's applied before payment. Step 7. Complete the payment as usual. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.